So traders, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I hope you had a good week. So overall, I had a good week. I took around three trades and two are wins and one was a loss. And I'm going to review them. Uh, and let us learn from this. So my first trade was on Monday. It was on gold. I had shared the setup on my weekly review outlook before the market had opened. And I took a nice trade on gold. So this was my thought process. Let me show you the trade. This is the trade I took on Monday. And this is how it was. So understanding the market dynamics. So this was our working range, our working 1 hour range. This 1 hour low, this 1 hour high, and we had this break of market structure. So the 1 hour structure was bullish, and the market was trading with this internal structure within the 1 hour. So after a change of character, yeah, this was I think this was on last week Friday. We had seen this analysis. So after this change of character, I was waiting for the market. I was waiting for the market to come to the 61% level so that I could buy. I was willing to buy from here. So and and this is how I took the trade as analysis. But my thought process was like this: uh, internal 1 hour market structure was already bullish, so I dropped to the 5 minute time frame to have a confirmation of my trade setup. So this was my confirmation. Go to the Fibonacci level, so you can see. So the market was already in the 61% level. After this market structure shift in the 1 hour time frame, in the 5 minutes time frame, I waited for the market to come again to area of value, which is I chose to this fair value gap. Then I took my trade at the 50% of the fair value gap with my stop loss here. I was just targeting 1:3, which was around these highs, and this is where I took off, and then the market continued to rally on. So this was my first trade on Monday, and it was a good one. So my second trade, which was a loss, so we are done with this. It was a minor stupid mistake on my side. Uh, Let me show you. It was a loss. It was a loss trade. Uh, so this was it. It was again on Monday. I took two trades on Monday, which I usually don't. After one trade, I closed my name. So this was just for my trading. And so my thought process was like the market after this confirmation here, after I took off, I just wanted to continue riding with the market with the bullish trend up to this high. So this was where I looked for my second entry. So after market failing to close this below this low, then now um, I wanted the market to continue to check out this high and eventually to come check out uh, this high. So, but as you can see, I was taken out. So my mistake literally was I was trading in a premium market because this was a break of market structure. This was a clear break of market structure. So this was a clear break of market structure. After a break of market structure, you always expect the market to retrace. So uh, I was just trading within a premium market trying to buy, and always we should always buy from a from a discount which was around this area. So the market, you can see, after dropping to discount, it was around this area and taking out this liquid fees, it continue buying. So this was a this was a loss for me, and I accept my mistake, and I've learned from it. So um, uh, I had another again missed trade which I did not check. It was on it was on it was on Tuesday again. So let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. I show you how I end up missing this trade. So we can see this was a clear break of market structure, market retrace, a clear break of market structure again. I was waiting for the market to retrace to 61% level. If you can see the market all this is almost 61% level, you can see. So when the market was at the 61% level, I dropped down to the 15-minute time frame to confirm that the 1 hour structure was aligning to the 1 hour time frame. So as you can see, the market came to sweep these liquidities, and then we had a shift, internal shift in market structure, but the market never came to 61% level to where my entry normally is. So this trade, I did not take it, and it just went straight and never came back. So this was a missed trade on Tuesday. Um, my my trade, I took also some trades on uh, on EU, as you can see. So my first trade on EU was on Tuesday. Let me show you through my thought process. Let me take you through my thought process how I took the trade. So overall on EU, we're bearish after this change of character. This was how the market was came to take out this low. It was trading within internal structure, as you can see, higher higher highs and higher lows, and then a break change of character. So I was anticipating a pullback, then we continue, but that didn't happen. So first of all, we had an we had an we had an SMT. We had an SMT with a uh, GU. So the market did not check out this level on EU. And then we had an internal market structure shift. I'll show you the 15 minutes time frame. So this was our trading range. And so this was our trading 1 hour range. And 1 hour low. So this 1 hour high and this 1 hour low. So I was just waiting for the market I was expecting the market to come to premium market and then to continue going low. Yes, that was my thought process. But I bought it from here, as you can see. Let me show you 15 minutes snapshot. Um, I bought it from there. Just targeting 1:2 because I normally during reversals I take 1:2. So we had this internal change of character because this was the internal 1 hour high and this was the internal 1 hour low. So we had the market. I was moving in this channel, as you can see, this structure. So this was the last 1 hour, 15 minutes of market structure before we saw this, before before uh, before we had this the market retrace. Then we failed to take this low, and then now a change of character. Then the market now came to area value when I bought, as you can see. So uh, after seeing this change of character, I waited for the market to come to area of value. That is where I normally take my trade. That is at the 61% level, and the market came exactly there. Then just a little drill down to fill this fair value gap. So this was my trade on EU, and this was my thought process. I just wanted the market to come to premium, then to continue. Whatever it does, I don't know. So, but eventually it came out. It came to and it continued buying uh, to to come to the premium value of this external 1 hour high. This was my trade on EU, and my thought process was this, as you can see. My thought process was market was in a discount, as you can see, was in a discounted, was in discount, and SNT GU, and internal market structure, uh, and then market came to a value that is the 61% level. So I had no otherwise but to buy the trade, which went on well. So this was my trade on Tuesday with EU. So again, just reviewing on the trade that I could have taken, but I did not check. But it was a good trade. Also, the market never came to 61% level, so I ended up missing it again. The trade was on Thursday, so yeah, was the trade as you can see. So the market again, the internal market structure, you can see the market structure. The market was moving in this clear bullish trend. So we had this, and then and the market structure shift. So this was first our confirmation. Then now we have to go back again and think where are we at in the market? Are we in the premium or are we in the discount? So already we are in the 1 hour. 1 hour. We're trading within the 1 hour external range. As you can see, let me show you. So you can see the close this. So we are trading within this 4 internal high. So already this market was trading in premium. So first I had to confirm first we had this market structure shift, and then I was waiting for the market to come to area of value. Was waiting for the market to come to area of value, the 61% level, but the market did not come. So it took off and it went without me. So which is okay. I don't have to follow the trade. I just wanted a 1:3. That is okay with me. So this was the trade. This was the trade that I was looking at on this week. So this was the potential trade that I could have taken. So overall, I had an amazing week, and I hope also you had an amazing week. So I'm going to end it here. So if you have a nice weekend, enjoy your Easter holidays. Bye bye. Till we meet again. Bye.